Hi guys, what's going on? Hope you're all well. I thought I'd do something different today, and I'm going to do a day in my diet type of thing. I'm going to try and get a little bit of a gym video as well later on. So, start of the day, the time at the moment, bit of a look. Time at the moment is 20 past 12 midday. It's Tuesday, I believe. So, the morning I didn't have any breakfast. I'm usually not a breakfast type of person. I normally miss it out and skip it. Now and again I've been having like oatmeal or something like that, but I missed it today. So it's about 12:30 midday, general dinner time. I just thought I'm going to have a nice little meal to get some carbs in me. So meal I've just got, standard, just made myself 4 jacket taters, some beans, baked beans, there's a bit of butter on there to get me fat, just obviously I like the taste. Just with a bit of salt on top and a bit of pepper. So, well, as you can see there, a couple of my vlogging stuff. Got a GorillaPod, a tripod, remote, a couple of pre-workout stuff, magazines, and I'm currently on my social media just having a quick catch up about obviously my fitness blog 93 name, obviously this is my Facebook page, just checking through Machine Fitness's latest tweets. Later on should be getting a package hopefully from Machine Fitness. Made an order the other day, so hopefully that will be coming today. Really good if it does. And then just gonna enjoy some YouTube footage, go through my subscriptions, while I'm subscribed to. Check out what's new. George Osters has got a new video. We've got a giveaway on how to get free stuff, so that sounds good. And obviously quite a few of us like Christian Guzman I'm gonna watch. So I'm gonna enjoy my meal, if the lighting gets right. I'm gonna enjoy my meal, watch some YouTubers, and I'm gonna wait for my package to come. So hopefully the next clip, my package from Machine Fitness should be here. So let's literally just finished my meal. Royal Mails have just turned up and I've literally just got it. It is here. I am happy. I am excited. I've got a package from Machine Fitness. Boom. Let's just turn on the light a little bit. So, without further ado, let's open it. Right guys, better camera angle for you. Hopefully you can hear me. So yeah, package has come from Machine Fitness. I ordered it on Sunday about around 10 o'clock at night. I was talking to James from AJ Aesthetics, just asking me quickly about the lifting straps, and I thought, well, actually, I'll purchase them and I'll purchase some more stuff from them. Use the AJ Aesthetics code as well to help them out, and obviously you get a 10% discount, which is spot on. So, ordered some stuff from them. I ordered it on Sunday. Obviously, Sunday is not classed as a working day, so I ordered it next day delivery. So it got shipped out on Monday, and I obviously got it today, which is Tuesday morning. By Royal Mail, first class delivery, but it's obviously special delivery, next day special, just spot on. I think it's guaranteed before 1 o'clock, I'm not quite sure, so don't quote me on that, but I think it is. So yeah, obviously got a nice package, let's open it. I'm quite excited as well, to be honest with you. I've heard quite some good stuff about this. The other thing as well is I actually bought some lifting straps, some, what do you call them? Some deadlift lifting straps basically, from Sports Direct when I picked up this Londis, Londis jacket hoodie. It's actually quite a nice hoodie actually. I bought this and bought some trackers, and I bought some lifting straps at the same time. Lifting straps are quite cheap, really like £2, but they're not long on my wrist, they're not a long strap. That's why I wanted to go on Machine Fitness to have a look at them. So without further ado, let's have a look. I've got a thing here. Machine Fitness notes. Saying thank you for support, thank you for your support. Spot on, so basically this is just like a delivery now, say what I've ordered. Let's have a look. Right, we'll start off with a little package first. Nicely packaged, and Machine Fitness lifting straps in like a grey and a blue. You see that? I don't know if it's focused, hopefully it has. Nice little packaging. I was actually going to get them in red, but we didn't have them in stock at first, so I thought, well, I need some, so I'm just going to get these anyway. So let's open this up and have a look. I will be doing a review on each of these items as well, separate review. This is just like an unboxing. Oh, it's spot on. Nice little bit of foam there. Let's just try these on a quick little bit. Seem nice, and definitely longer than the longer ones. Let's have a look. Oh, they're nice. Oh, they're really nice actually. Like, most lifting straps don't have that big or a thickness of a strap. He's actually really nice. But yeah, do a separate review for them anyway. So I ordered them, lifting straps, that's what I mainly went on the Machine Fitness website for, to get them. Then I thought, while I'm on there, I'll order something else. So I have ordered a purpley blue colour Machine Fitness large, because I'm 6'4", I'm 233 pounds. Price back as well. So I decided to get a, what have I got here? Got a stringer. Or did I get that as a T? Can't remember, but yeah, I've got a purple stringer. Purple Machine Fitness, large machine logo at the top, at the middle. So that'll be on my chest, small Machine Fitness logo at the bottom. So I will try that on in a second and show you what it looks like. Then I've also got a Machine Fitness, on the top, let's have a look, see what this is. So this is a Machine Fitness stringer. Oh well, so that's the two stringers, so I will try them on now, see how they fit, and then let's have a look. So guys, I am about to have my second meal a day. I decided I'm going to have like 3 meals instead of just 2 meals, so I'm feeling really hungry today. And yeah, basically, as well, England, it has decided to snow, and it's gone from snow to ice, and outside it is just covered in ice. And this is what it looks like. Boom. Ice, snow, ice, snow, snow, ice, ice, and snow. Literally, the whole path is just ice. And like my gym shoes that I wear, I've just got no traction on the bottom of them, like on icy weather. So it should be fun walking down to the gym, because like gym's like a 5-10 minute walk. So that should be fun. But yeah, I'm gonna put my head up and I'm gonna go to the gym now. I'm not gonna go to the gym now. I'm gonna go get my meal. I'm just gonna go to the shop and get something to eat, and then I should be in the gym. I'm reckon it's about, what time is it now actually? Look, it's 4 o'clock now, so I'm gonna get something to eat, and I think I'll be in the gym for about 8 PM, 9 PM. Get a couple of hours in. I think I'm gonna do chest and triceps today. And I will be rocking my new Machine Fitness gear, what you've actually seen in the previous clip. So, I'm going to brave the weather and I'm going to go out and get something to eat, and in the next clip you'll see what I am eating. So, basically just went to the shop and decided to just get myself some ham. And I've got myself a pizza, deep crust pepperoni, just for the simple fact of it's New Year. Not really bothered about the macros today or tomorrow. Just going to enjoy myself and get it in. I'm going to gym anyway, still getting a workout. So yeah, I think, to be honest with you, later on I'm just going to have, probably just have, after the gym I'll probably just have jagged potato and baked beans again. Just get my last macros in it there. Like I said, I'm not really bothered about what I'm eating, just making sure I'm getting my carbs in me for my workout. Keeping my fats quite low. And just eating what I want to eat, basically. So, next clip, probably, I'm going to see if I can get some footage in the gym. Not quite sure if I will be able to, but we'll see. So I'll see you. Pre-workout time. Let's drink it and let's get going. It's safe to say the gym is empty on the other way. Yeah. Right guys, so basically just finished a gym session. Didn't manage to get any filming done. Forgot to take my tripod, to be honest with you. Which is really unlucky actually, because it's like New Year's Eve when I'm filming this. The gym was actually empty. Well, literally I was the only person in the gym, so it would have been good to get some quite a few different shots. So I think I'm going to go early in the morning actually, about 6 o'clock in the morning, try and get some really good shots. So finished the chest and tricep day, wearing my Machine Fitness stringer which I've got underneath. Really good session. My pre-workout gave me a really good boost there, really good pump. Really surprised me how well it performed today. I was in there for like 2 hours, I think it was, on gym session. Really pleased with it. And now I'm just finishing off a day with my last meal, third meal of the day. Starting up, well, I'm finishing my day with what I started with, which is jacket potato and baked beans. I'm absolutely starving for some reason, so I've just done like 4 or 5 jacket potatoes, and just a can of baked beans. So obviously, just like this morning, plate full. I'm gonna enjoy that. Just while I'm looking at YouTube again, I've just noticed my subscribers is going up like quite fast. How do I get on the channel? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Looks leany. Yeah, I've gone up to 38 subscribers this morning. Now I'm like 30, 34, 35, so I've gone up by a couple, but it's quite cool. My YouTube views have gone up to 1,572 as well. So they're going up. So I must be doing something right. I've noticed like Machine Fitness are retweeting me quite a lot. PPS Nutrition and other different bloggers, which is quite cool. More I get retweeted, more I get noticed. My views. So yeah, I'm gonna finish off my day in my diet basically with me having this meal, and then I think what I'm actually gonna do is have my protein shake. So I will see you in my next clip, and I'll show you what protein I'm having. So guys, finishing my day off of the day of the diet video basically. So basically, I'm just finishing my day off, my day of my diet series basically, well my episode, finishing it off with my last type of meal, or last supplement, which is just the protein powder. Protein powder I'm actually having is Native Way Inc. It's just like it's not a mass gainer, but it's like an all-in-one. So it's got quite a few carbs in it, protein's really high in it, and it's low in fat, which is really good. Now the flavour I've got is vanilla. It's not amazing, the flavour, but it's not bad. I got quite a big bag of it because I wanted to just, well, I just got it because I needed some protein powder. It was quite cheap. But yeah, I'll do a review actually on this another time, so you will see that. So yeah, like I said, so just sum it all up, obviously you've seen for a video. Started day off, didn't have any breakfast, but I had my, at 12:30 midday, I had like, I think it was like 3 or 4 jacket potatoes with some baked beans. Later on in the day, I just had a pepperoni pizza, and then just had my third meal, which was obviously 5 jacket potatoes, baked beans again, just to get some carbs in me out, obviously after I've done my workout. And finishing the day off, last protein shake, get my little bit extra bit of carbs and my protein in me before I go to sleep. So I'm going to enjoy that. I'm actually going to stay out quite late. I think I'm eating at the moment. I think it's about 1:15, no, 1:45 in the morning. So 12:45. I'm going to edit some videos. Obviously going to edit this video. I think I've got like 3-4 other videos I'm going to try and edit and get out for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the day of diet, something a little bit different. I think I will be doing some now and again, doing some more, but I'll not be doing it like every week. I might do it like every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, or something like that, just to mix things up a little bit. But it's obviously a day of my diet. It's not like a main important thing for me. I'm more focused on doing reviews and obviously my progress going through the gym, not what I eat. Well, I'm focused on what I eat, but not everyone needs to know what I eat. So yeah, I think I will do some now and again, but it's not going to be the most important thing. So you can expect it like every 2-3 weeks probably. I'll do like a quick day of my diet thing for you. So then obviously I'll keep you up to date. So yeah, I hope you like the video. If you got any comments from it, got any tips or anything, let me know in the comments box. If you obviously, as usual, if you like it, please like, please share, and obviously subscribe. And yeah, I'm going to enjoy this, and I'm going to edit some more videos for you guys. So expect more from me. I am going to be doing a lot more, especially in the new year. Some exciting things to come in the new year for you. So until next time, like I said, like, share, and subscribe. Keep safe.